Guys, happy Wednesday na for today's video guys. Nari naman tayo sa Binadlan Falls here in Biao, Binalbaga, Negros Occidental. As you can see guys, you can see the beautiful falling waters coming from the top of the mountain guys. As you can see the water. It's very clear and very good ambience guys. On the side, you have see the twin falls. The small falling waters come from right side of this mountain guys. From Negros Occidental, we promote this beautiful nature or tourist spots here in Barangay Binadlan, Sitio Biao, Binalbaga. I am requested to those who interested to go here in Binadlan Falls. As you can see guys, this beautiful nature, this very high and almost 150 meters falling waters coming from the top of the mountain guys. As you can see, you can make swimming, take a bath here in Binadlan Falls guys. I am not a visitor coming from another country like mga foreigners. Let's visit Binadlan Falls guys here in Binalbaga, Negros Occidental. I promote this beautiful waterfalls here in Negros Occidental. Guys, very beautiful falling waters coming from the top of the mountain. Guys, thank you so much. God bless. Keep safe everyone.